headed to the Four Corners after staying a night up in the mountains outside of Salt Lake City. And here we are on the road again.
Traffic. Ha 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 ha. Beautiful Utah, we will be back. We indeed will be back.
Colorado, Utah, Nevada,
New Mexico.
and New Mexico.